When I decided that I wanted to come back from London and settle back in India, everybody looked at me and told me, "Are you crazy? What kind of a decision is this? I mean, look at London. You're leaving this place and going back to India." I was feeling really privileged to be an Indian and have a place to go back to. Whereas everybody else was looking at it as a failure rather than a success. It's so strange. When somebody once asked me, "Why don't you go back to your own country?" I didn't feel it was a racist remark or get offended. I was actually excited because India has a lot to offer. Whereas London teaches you independence, how to survive, India teaches you how to live and how to thrive. Why do we forget that? Yes, I do understand. India has its own issues with the AQI now, with the corruption, pollution, with the roads dug up everywhere. But you think London is less? London has its own issues too, with knife attacks, phone being mobbed, you're doing everything by yourself, there's isolation, you never know what the weather is outside to go out and enjoy and soak up the sun. London is no less. Every place I realize has its own pros and cons, but India offers you much more. I do understand London offers you very good education, but India offers you holistic education, where education doesn't just stop in classroom. Education starts at home with understanding how to, for example, save money, invest money, what food to eat, when should you eat it, what are your family culture, your traditions, and of course, how do you behave in society as a whole. London doesn't teach you all that. As a first generation, you're trying to find yourself and you're foot in a country that's not really yours. So coming back to India was not just taking a step back, it was taking a step with clarity of finding out what truly was my home. So tag someone who's just moved abroad or is trying to make that decision to come back to India. I would say, Kharaja Pardesi.